on, guys? Welcome to Life Skills. Oh my God. We just did 1.5 miles at 8.7 miles per hour. It's not a lot, and it's not fast. But for a guy with flat feet and coming back from a back injury, it's not bad. And in case you're wondering, guys, this is called an O2 trainer. It's meant to help you optimize your lung capacity for better endurance. So obviously today's episode is all about fitness. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do to stay healthy, stay active, and in the physical condition that I personally prefer. But first, water. Welcome to my home gym. I've got my gym set up in a boxing manner because we're trying to make a boxing movie. But before you guys say, Jason, I can't do the exercises you do because I don't have this equipment, I can do everything that I do with a pair of resistance bands and a pull-up bar. That being said, we're doing 9 exercises, one after the other, no breaks in between, alternating. I do full body, so I alternate from upper body to lower body in between, one after the other. I do this 5 days a week. I take Wednesdays and Saturdays off because personally, I don't like taking 2 days off in a row. I think that it kills your momentum. I think it kills your progress, and it gives you an excuse to be lazy. So I like to split them up. That being said, I do 3 sets of 25. One set or circuit is all 9 exercises and then some cardio in between. So we got Ashley behind the camera over here. She's gonna shoot us in a one shot. So the camera's never gonna stop. We're just gonna go all the way through it because she's got some drinking to do with her friends after this. So let's get started. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I start with is squats. And the way that I do it is almost like a volleyball player. I go straight down and I shoot my hands up so that it's like I'm about to jump up. I'm about to take you there. Next, immediately jump into push-ups. So you're alternating from lower body to upper body. Make sure you keep your back straight the entire time. Yeah, like a horse I fly, better push yourself in for a bumpy ride. I like to play hard, but I work harder, and I weather the storm cause I'm built stronger. I was born to run. Alright, I think that's 25. And like I said, going straight to lower body, so we jump into our abs next. Now I know most of you do not have a dip bar, but you can also do this exercise with a set of chairs. You can do this exercise in the kitchen, on the kitchen countertop at the corner. So you absolutely can do this. All you're doing is knee raises. That being said, try and control your movements. I like to keep my heels together and go straight up. Bring your knees as high as you can. And as my friend Edwin likes to say, if you're feeling froggy, go ahead and add the obliques in there. Horns up, I'm unstoppable. Got you spin around, it's a do-si-do. Hold on tight like a rodeo. I think that's about right. All right, back to upper body. So I do 3 different sets of pull-ups. I'm just gonna show you guys one, but I do go underneath, I do go forward, but right now we're just doing these ones here. I was made to fly, cause I was born for this, yeah. Born to roll, born to ride, keep on flying till my hands touch the sky. Remember, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Take your time and do it right, don't injure yourself. All I have left is the black resistance band because, well, I broke the rest of them. But you wrap this around both of your ankles and we're going to do 3 different movements. This is all for your hips. And this prevents back injury. It increases flexibility. This is going to reset your hips also. If you got sciatic pain, this is great for building the muscle around your sciatic. Play hard, work harder.
I was cut from steel.
That's it. Like I said, no breaks in between.
I was made to fly.
So we immediately move on to your deltoids, your shoulders, your upper back. 2 different movements. Straight up, and when you do this, the stronger you hold your weights, the easier it is on your shoulders, so you don't get that popping inside your shoulder. You don't want that. Next, to jump into calf raises. This is one of my favorite exercises because when I was a kid, I was a very short basketball player, and all I wanted to do was out jump every guy that was taller than me. So I focused a hell of a lot on my calves when I was a kid.
It's only right, my head's up, I stay strong, forever young, may you live long, with perseverance, hold on and stand tall, never back down with my back against the wall.
If you do that right, you're gonna feel it in your butt too. All right, we're moving on straight to military press. Now, it's a good idea to do this in front of a mirror so that you're actually going up evenly on both sides. That way you don't build up too much muscle on one side than the other.
I'm fearless, yeah, I'm fearless, you know, I'm courageous, yeah, I'm strong, I'm unbreakable.
Keep your legs locked, your back straight, and just focus on pushing up evenly with both arms. I don't know how many that is. Last exercise. This is a new one that I just started doing this week, but to be honest, I love it because it's functional movement. Not everybody's gonna have this medicine ball like this, but it's only like 30 bucks, so if you really want to, you can do this too.
I'm never scared with no fear, I'm well aware. I stay ready, I'm well prepared. I risk it all for the cause, take a risk and put it all on the line. I'm fearless, yeah, you know I am fearless. You can't stop me.
Alright guys, that's set number 1.
Go get it. You gotta want it from the soul, you gotta feel it. You gotta seize it.
Get a quick drink of water. But remember, in between sets, you want to cool down, but you want to keep your heart rate up at the same time. So I do 30 seconds on each bag over here. But what you could do is simple shadow boxing. Stand in front of a mirror and try and box with yourself, or do some jump rope, something like that, just to keep your heart rate up. Here we go.
I am fearless, yeah, I'm fearless, I am fearless, you know, I am fearless, you know, I'm fearless, yeah, I'm fearless, I'm fearless, nothing can ever hold me back, nothing, I'm unstoppable, I'm unstoppable. I'm fearless, yeah, I'm fearless, you know, yeah, I'm strong, I'm unbreakable, I am, yeah, I'm fearless, yeah, I'm fearless, I am fearless.
Alright guys, that's it. That's all I do. 3 sets a day, 5 days a week, 2 days split up in between. I'm gonna catch my breath and I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. We're about to sit down to breakfast, which is usually a protein shake. And I like whey protein, the grass-fed protein from Transparent Labs personally, and no, they're not paying me to say that yet. I just really like their product. Throw in a banana, some strawberries, some spinach, and a raw egg and some almond milk, and you're good to go. And it actually is really good. I like that chocolate flavor because, well, I got a sweet tooth. But I'm about to sit down and work on this movie. I will see you guys next week. The last thing that I would say is your nutrition is just as important as whatever workouts you guys are doing. So cut out the sugars, cut out the breads, add some protein and some greens to your diet, and you shouldn't have any problems unless you have special underlying conditions that nobody knows about. And I also add vitamin D to my morning ritual nowadays, especially with COVID constantly lurking around the corner. Vitamin D helps us to protect ourselves from that virus, if you don't know. So I highly suggest it because we don't get outside nearly enough. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this channel, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, if things are working, if things aren't working, whatever your personal opinions are. I do want to know because this channel's not done evolving. I'm still kind of trying to find my way. So that being said, I will see you guys next week on Life Skills.